Hi, today I'm going to show you the proper techniques for pipetting using a volumetric pipette and a serological pipette. The first step of pipetting is conditioning your pipette. What you will do is place the pipette bulb firmly on top of the pipette. You want it firm enough to create a seal, but not so tight that you can't remove it. This is so you can quickly switch from the bulb to your finger as the seal, like so. I'm sucking up only a little bit because we're conditioning. I then turn it horizontally so that the solution is inside the bulb, and I'm going to rotate it so that the entire inside is coated with our solution. When I'm done conditioning, I will then place the pipette tip in our waste beaker and let our solution drain out. You do not want to put your conditioned solution back into the stock solution. We are now ready to use our pipette. Our volumetric pipette is used for a set volume, in our case 10 milliliters. To do this, we're going to take our bulb like we did when we conditioned, and we're going to suck past the calibration mark, which is on the neck of the pipette. We will then drain the excess and be at eye level so the meniscus is right on the calibration line, like so. We then take our 10 milliliters of solution and we use our chem wipe to wipe off the base of our pipette. We now take our volumetric flask and our volumetric pipette, and placing the tip against the side, we will allow the solution into the volumetric flask. You will notice that when you are done pipetting, there is some liquid still left in our pipette. This is all right. Please allow the liquid to remain there. These pipettes have been calibrated so that they administer 10 milliliters while taking into account the liquid that remains. We are now going to use our serological pipette. These pipettes are used for a variety of volumes. For example, this pipette can go from 0.1 milliliters all the way to 10 milliliters. It is also important to note that the numbers start from 0 to 10, increasing as it goes down. So if I want 6 milliliters, I really need to go to the 4 mark. We will condition this pipette the same way as we did previously with the volumetric, and use the same technique to withdraw the solution. We place the pipette into the solution, squeezing the bulb and placing it on firmly but not too tight. We then withdraw the solution past the mark and quickly change our finger over. You want to make sure that you are on eye level with the mark you want so that the meniscus is right on the mark. I now have 6 milliliters in my pipette. Don't forget to use your chem wipe and wipe off your pipette before dispensing it into your Erlenmeyer flask. You may notice that there is still some liquid in the bottom. In this case, you want that liquid to be in your flask, so you will take the bulb and expel the rest of the solution. When you are finished, you need to clean your pipette. To do this, you'll place the end inside your waste beaker, and using your distilled water, you will rotate it on the inside to make sure that all of the solution is rinsed out. This is the correct way to use a pipette. Thank you for your attention.